Bobby Andre, and I'm a real estate agent covering Rhode Island and Massachusetts. I did telecommunications for about 15 years and was really just burnt out in that line of work. If you come here, you have a good attitude, you're hungry, and you follow the systems, you can't fail in this industry, in an industry where 90% of people fail. I sat down and I just really listened to what they have to offer, the different systems and structure that they give, as well as just the opportunity for growth and to really have no cap on my financial freedoms. The training has been absolutely excellent. The accountability is awesome, and also the giving back to the community with Hasbro Children's Hospital. I'm from Northern Rhode Island, Woonsocket specifically. I'm a people person. I'm a foodie, very, very big passion for traveling to new destinations I haven't seen before. Somebody that wants an industry expert, somebody that doesn't like to lose, that's always gonna be fighting for you, but making you feel like you have a lifelong friend while doing it. It's very, very rewarding to help people accomplish the American dream, and you really can't beat that.